In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Baiju's Lenovo tab. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly wipe all of the data in your Baiju's tablet by Lenovo. You will be able to follow along by pressing a specific combination of buttons on your tablet. So this is a process that you will do entirely on the tablet. You don't have to connect it to a PC, you don't have to use any sort of external software, and you will be able to do it by first pressing the volume down button, the volume up button, and the power button simultaneously. You have to press these three buttons together for some seconds. I would say press them for about 20 seconds. It takes a while, so just press all of them together while the tablet is off and then keep holding them. Make sure that it is powered off, and then once you press and hold these buttons down for around 20 seconds or even more, eventually you will be able to see it power on but go into this screen. So instead of booting into Android, you will have all of these options. All that you have to do here is choose Wipe Data / Factory Reset. This is the option that you are looking for. As the name suggests, this will completely wipe all of the data on the storage of your Baiju tablet. This is going to work for any manufacturer, including of course Lenovo. But if you have another tablet such as from Samsung, you will be able to follow along. And keep in mind that this works for any Android tablet, so even if yours is not from Baiju, you will still be able to follow these same steps to get it done. Immediately upon choosing this option, all of the data on your Baiju tablet will be wiped and it is going to be factory reset, so you will be able to set it up as if it was brand new. You will be able to choose this, and then you can use the power button to select. So you use the volume up and volume down to navigate through the menu, and then the power button to actually select. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Baiju Lenovo tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.